guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Myself SHUHANA and I am back with another video. So in today's video, I am going to give a review of the product Vega 3-in-1 Hairstyler, which I recently got from Amazon at just rupees 1299, which is quite really cheap. And the retail price of this product is 1599. I hope you can see. So yeah, as you can see, I already did the unboxing, so I don't want to waste your time by showing the unboxing session. So let us first see how the product is. We get the warranty card of this product. Next we get is the manual. So this is how the product looks like. I hope you can see it. So guys, this is the power button through which you can switch off and on the product. When you on the product, you will get a red light here. And this is the push button through which you can switch from straightener to crimper, then from crimper to straightener, and then also you can lock the product here by switching it in the middle. Yeah, this is how it works like. Let us see how the product works on my hair. So guys, as you can see, my hair is already straight, so I took this part which is quite wavy, which I found quite wavy, so I'm gonna try the straightener at first. So I switched on the power button. Can you see there? I just used for once. It works quite really well. So now let us switch to the curling option. So I am going to curl this part of my hair.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Make sure that you don't reach your scalp. How the curl looks like. So let us now do the crimping.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want
looks like. I hope you really got an idea how it looks like, the straightening, curling and the crimping. So guys, if you like the product and you want to purchase it, you can get the link in my description below. Also, the advantages of this product is that it is quite really cheap, and because it is a 3-in-1 hairstyler where you can curl your hair, straighten your hair and also crimp your hair. So yeah, and it's quite really handy, and it looks beautiful. And yeah, these are the only advantages according to me. So the disadvantages of this product is that you cannot really increase or decrease the temperature of this straightener. There is no option for that, and also you can't hold the straightener from here while straightening your hair. I have a really bad habit of holding the straightener here, but you can't really hold it here because you can burn your fingers. And also you can hold the straightener here while curling or crimping, but then this part also gets really hot. It's quite really tough. So yeah, these are the disadvantages. And also the curling portion does not last for a long time. It can only last for a very few hours if you use a hairspray. Other than that, if you really use a hairspray, then it would be quite really difficult for your curls to last, because in my case it hardly lasted for half an hour. Keeping the curls aside, the straightener really works good in case of crimping, because it lasts for more than 2 days if you don't wash your hair. The crimping is really very good, and since my hair is already straight, so I don't really use the straightener. So yeah, that was all. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And if you have any video suggestion or queries, please share it with me in my comment section below. And yeah, that was all. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.
Finding life along